In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new affiliate marketing strategy that anyone can start even as a complete beginner. The best part is that you don't need to generate your own traffic and you don't need a website or a YouTube channel. Let me show you exactly what I mean. If you look at this article here, Lean Belly Juice Reviews, basically what this person is doing is reviewing a ClickBank product. And if we look at this product here on ClickBank, Juice, you will see that they earn on average $138.22 per sale. And the best part about this article is if you go to Google and search Juice, and if I just scroll down past the paid ads, you will see that this article is ranking on the front page of Google. And the crazy part is that you can actually publish on this website. If you look through here, you will actually see a couple of them that you could publish on, but I found this one in particular, Outlook India. Outlook India is where you can go and publish a review of this product and make affiliate commissions every time someone makes a purchase. And the reason you want to publish your article on their website is because they have the authority to rank on the front page of Google. And don't worry, you don't have to do any of the writing yourself. I'm going to show you how and where you can get an article written for you within seconds. So now we're going to go to Google Keyword Planner. We're going to see how many times per month this term actually gets searched in Google. So if we look here at Juice, this is actually getting searched anywhere from 10,000 to 100,000 times per month. Lean Belly Juice, that's getting searched 10,000 to 100,000 times. And then we have Lean Belly Juice Reviews, 10,000 to 100,000 times per month. Uber suggests is another tool that we could use to see how often terms are getting searched on Google also. Lean is another ClickBank product, and people are typing into Google Lean reviews a total of 6,600 times per month. So now that we know that the search volume is there, we can make a lot of money online using this strategy. Basically, what people are doing is writing product reviews. Consumers are reading these reviews and making their final buying decision. They want to know if these products are good for them and how reputable they are. So what you want to do is position yourself on the front page of Google, right in front of all of this traffic, just like all of these websites here are doing. So the first thing that we need to do is to find a product to review. But we need to find a different product because we don't want to compete with the same product that's already on the front page of Google. So you just want to go to clickbank.com, create a free account, and log in. So once you sign up and log in, you want to look at new offers. And the reason you want to look at new offers is because there's probably not too many articles that's written on these yet, and it won't be too much competition for you to rank on the front page of Google. So we're just going to click here on new offers. Next, you want to sort your results by gravity, high to low. And what this is going to do is put the highest converting offers right here at the top, from high to low. So if these offers are converting well for other affiliates, it'll convert for you also. Now what we want to do is a bit of research to see how many reviews are written on these products so far. So I'm just going to copy this, and then we just want to go to Google and paste that in and type review. And if we just scroll through here, it does look like people are starting to write reviews on this product. These are YouTube videos, so people are starting to write reviews, but we can also see that Outlook India hasn't done a review on this product yet. So all you have to do is go back to ClickBank and see which one of these products that you want to promote after you've done a little bit of research. But for now, I'm just going to go back to the top and I'm going to click top offers. And let's just say we want to write a review on a product, Juice, for an example. Now this would be after you've done your research and you've seen that not too many people have written a review on this particular product. At that point, what we want to do is write a review on it, but we're just going to use Juice as an example. So what you would do is go back to Google and find the article that's ranking on the front page that people have written on the same product. And what we're going to do is get AI to rewrite that article. So for an example, we're just going to go back to this article. And what I'm going to do is just copy a part of it just for the sake of the tutorial. I just don't want it to be too long, but I will actually copy the whole article, or you could do it in sections because of the ads and everything that's also in the article. So you could copy the whole article at once, or you could copy it in sections. But just for an example, I'm just going to copy a part of it just to show you the process. So I'm going to copy up to here. And then we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to ask it to rewrite it for us. So I'm just going to paste that in here. So we're going to have it to rewrite that article, and we're also going to give it some keywords that we want to rank for on Google. So I'm just going to scroll up to the top here, and I'm going to put my cursor right in here, and I'm going to hit Shift and Enter to move it down a little bit. And we're just going to say, can you rewrite this article and use these keywords throughout the article? And now I'm going to go back to Google Keyword Planner, and I'm going to copy the search terms that's ranking the highest in Google. So I'm going to copy Akira juice, go back to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to paste that in. And you also want to put quotations in your keywords also. This way ChatGPT will know that you're looking for this particular keyword here, or a search term. And then Akira lean belly juice, that's also getting 10,000 to 100,000 searches monthly. So I'm also going to get this one, copy, and I'm just going to paste that in. And that's the same process that you will follow for each of the highest ranking search terms, giving your article the best chance to rank on the front page of Google. And then we could just come here and we'll say, here's the article. And I'm gonna close this up a little bit and just hit go. And as you can see, ChatGPT has rewritten our article for us with our keywords in it. Now, if you had to copy and paste the article into ChatGPT in sections, what you can do is just use Google Docs to put the article together. Also, be sure that the article stays within a specific word count, no more than 4,000 words. So let me show you what it would look like if you had to use Google Docs to put your article together, if you had to copy and paste it into sections. What you would do is just copy your article from ChatGPT, and we're just going to go over to Google Doc and paste that in. So that's the first part, and then you will copy and paste the second, third, fourth, so on and so forth, until you have the whole article pasted into your Google Doc. And once you have your article put together, what you want to do is get your affiliate link for the chosen product from ClickBank. And in this case, it's going to be Akira juice. To get your link, you just want to go here to promote, create hop link, and this is the affiliate link that you're going to use to promote this product. So we're just going to copy it. And then you would just go back to your Google Doc, and what we're going to do is highlight this because this is actually advertising the product. Unlock exclusive discounts on Akira lean belly juice here. So this is where we're going to put our affiliate link. So we're going to copy that, and then we're going to go up here to link, and we're going to paste that link in here and apply. So now anytime someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you're going to earn an affiliate commission. And as you can see, that's the same thing that they're doing in the article that we had ChatGPT to rewrite for us. Next, you want to research high authority websites that's related to your niche because you want to post on those also. We already have the Outlook India, but if we just look through here for a couple more, we also have Tango Charities, the Covington Maple Valley Reporter, the Everett Herald, and the Times of Israel. So you just want to research as many high authority websites that's related to your niche and post on those also. And once you find those other high authority websites, what you want to do is find their contact information. And for Outlook India, I just searched Contact Outlook India, and I just went here and opened it up. And from here, it's just real simple. You just want to find the contact information so you can reach out to these different websites and find out how much it would cost per article, which can vary, but it's often reasonable considering how much money you can earn. They don't charge a huge amount of money because they're making money from ads, and they're also making money from people uploading their articles to the website. But you could be making some serious money if you're getting a total of 10 to 100,000 views per month to your article that's ranking #1 on Google, or at the very least number 10, and making $138 per sale. You can easily be making thousands of dollars every single day. And you can have ChatGPT to rewrite the same article again and again and post it to other similar websites and just crush it. So if we look here at Outlook India, you'll see that they have for digital advertising queries. So this right here is the email that you will reach out to them. And then get published on Outlook India. You'll see that the length of the submissions should be no more than 4,000 words. I also did a little bit of research with Outlook India. The only thing you have to do is go to the About Us page, and they have several other websites that you can post to also. So they have Outlook India, Outlook Hindi, Outlook Business, Outlook Money, etc. So you can look into these websites and post your articles to them also. And once your articles are published, you just want to keep an eye on their performance. Monitor rankings and traffic to make sure that they're receiving a nice amount of views, and optimize your articles as needed to maintain or improve their ranking. So in just a few steps, you can make some really good money with affiliate marketing. And now check out this video to discover one of the easiest ways to make money with AI and affiliate marketing. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how to do it in this video right here, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.